I should really just buy my own trailer. Well, gonna go pick up the new old well, new to me car, but I gotta get the trailer. So see you guys, talk to you guys when I get the trailer. Picked up the trailer. Here's another project that I just finished up. So oh, it's getting hot. Let's go. Hopefully if it's on the trailer, hopefully it's not too low. Well, it shouldn't be, then again you never know, so we'll see. We picked up the paperwork. Now we just gotta wait for the car. Oh man, should be easy fix, I hope. So I'll show you guys once he's pulling it in. What you think? Yeah. And he's not too bad. This right there?
What's that? Is that?
Just like the, just here. Yeah, and there. But that's it. I was tied up. Show you guys in. Damn. Show you guys the interior later. But let's tie it up and start heading to the house. I'm at home. How to unload it. I start it up. Thing has a nice, what is it? Flow master exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Alright. Oh shoot, I gotta take off this bumper to get in it because I can't fit. I'll do it. All right, let's start this. Start it up. This is how it is, all cleaned up somewhat. Just kind of washed it down, really cleaned up all right. Now just I gotta order a bumper see what else I need to order, but I'll save that for another video. Damage isn't the worst. I can fix it. So till then, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.